like no one you've ever seen before. Michael Wiskus in from the right, that little orangish red biplane. He's sponsored by Lucas Oil. True love life. Lucas Oil, though, a love for performance products. They're high quality performance products that Lucas makes unmatched in the automotive industry, also in the air. Yeah, check them out. Lucas Performance Oil Products, the best in the business, guaranteed. Watch Mike now on the right as he continues to climb vertical all the way up. That engine working overtime. The Lucas Oil helps with the performance. You don't get to do tumbling gyroscopic maneuvers like Mike Wiskus does unless you can depend upon your power plant and your engine up front. Mike has no problem with that. Mike, you're having too much fun. Look at this guy. Up and over the top of the trees. How does he do it? Mike Wiskus. Mike Wiskus knows how he makes it happen. Let's see if we can get him on the radio here in a minute. He's pulling out 8 G's in some of these turnarounds. You watch it. Down low like this, 6, maybe 7. George, you watching this? Let's see if we can get Mike on the radio here. I'm not sure. He's talking to George still. But there's another airplane out here I'm a little concerned about. George, you see this other airplane out there? Mike doing 2 hammerheads. How does he do that? There's another airplane. So you read your note on this. Somebody had it. So we can get Wiskus up. Hey Mike, are you on here? It's Matt.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Hey man, I'm doing fine. You see this little yellow airplane off to your right? Yeah, there's somebody that didn't read their names. Uh-oh. Well, it's this little wayward airplane off to the right over here. You see him now?
I don't quite have him yet.
He's right in front of you, just off to the right. You don't? He's buried in that soft serve ice cream cone right there. Oh, you see him. Uh-oh. He just lost an aileron. Now, what in the world, George? We had that Piper yesterday. Hello, is that, sir, are you on the radio with us?
I'm not on it, but I can hear you.
Oh, geez. One of these guys. Who are you?
Hey, well, my name's Chuck Bellamy. I just got out of downstate. I'm on payroll.
Get them more.
Living here.
Just got out on payroll, huh?
Yes, sir. I just changed off the brand new airplane. What do you think of it?
Well, it looks nice, but you got some parts falling off of it.
Yeah, I built it.
Did you? In prison?
I built it in the workshop prison.
Yeah. Well, listen, we've got an air show going on out here. Could you land your airplane? We'd like to see it up close.
Well, I'm kind of having trouble with it because I didn't learn how to fly it. I learned how to build it.
What do you mean you don't know how to fly?
I got a book. I'm going to read the book.
Okay. Well, turn to the chapter about landing.
Landing. I don't have that chapter, but I got a problem.
What kind of problem? What is he doing?
There's something wrong with my gas pedal and my brake pedal. I don't know what's going on.
No, Chuck. Those aren't the gas pedal and the brake pedal. That's the rudder pedals. They make the nose go back and forth like you're doing.
You don't need now.
Yeah.
I got a book.
All right. I couldn't hear you there. You nearly, the president's plane is out there. Don't hit it.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
We're back in prison.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. All right.
Anyhow, I'm having a little trouble here, but you're right about the rudder pedals. It says on page 3, rudder pedals.
That's right. Flip over to page 7. It's about landing. It'll take. Just pull the power off. We'll set it right now.
I don't know where that is.
Once again, things that could have been brought to my attention yesterday.
Oh my goodness, Chuck! I think you lost something.
I need your help after all.
You do? Well, pull up, Chuck.
I think I just did.
Oh my goodness. All right, Chuck, try and turn the airplane back around. Go back to page 2 if you could. Well, never mind. Just pull the power off. It's that little lever on the left.
Thanks for your help. I see it now.
All right. Can you land?
Trying.
Well, hurry it up.
Yes. You're not telling me enough info.
Well, I don't have anything else. Just pull back right there. There you go. You got it. Let go of everything, and it'll land. Don't. No, Chuck. Where is he going?
Wait, dear.
Yeah, it was. Stay away from Trump's airplane, will you?
Yes, I will. I like him.
Well, just stay over there. Don't even go over there and say hi.
We're going over the swamp now.
Oh gosh, afraid he was gonna say that. There we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. Chuck, what are you doing? Don't go over there. Just come back this way.
I'm coming back.
Okay, good. Now land. Pull the power off and just set it down on the runway. There's some folks here that like to talk to you too.
What?
I said, just set it down on the runway right there. Yeah, just keep going that way. What?
There's something here that I'm not handling this right. The stick. Something wrong here.
Well, you don't grab that other stick.
No, I'm putting this thing on the ground now, so here I come around. And, okay. Help me.
You got it now. Yeah, level out the wings. Move the stick around till the wings go level. There you go. Then just land. You got it, Chuck. Perfect. Oh, now where are you going? You just lost.
Do it, Captain.
You just lost your wheel. Yeah, you do. Well, you're gonna have to land it with one wheel now. That'll be okay.
Okay, now what?
Well, now you can turn back around and land, just like those red airplanes did yesterday. Bring them back around and land.
I'm busy. I can't talk right now.
What could you possibly be doing?
Paperwork.
What kind of paperwork?
Very important paperwork.
It doesn't sound too good down here. Chuck, you there?
I'm here. I can't talk right now.
What? Listen, we need you to land. Uh-oh. You just lost your paperwork.
Shouldn't take any seconds.
Yeah, you do. Uh-oh. George, they don't pay us enough to do this kind. What kind of paperwork you doing? The toilet paper flies out.
Funny. I don't care who you are. That's funny, right?
Yeah. Sure is. All right, Chuck. Come on back now. We gotta land.
Need more.
Yeah. Show's over. Gotta land now.
How do we do this again?
I'm gonna work you through it.
Appreciate that.
Just come back right. You're getting better at it. I gotta tell you.
There's good structure.
Well, I bet you were a clogger as a kid. All right, come on back around. Just a little more to the left. You got it.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yeah, keep turning just like you're doing, and take the engine. Just turn that engine off. You'll be fine.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Yeah, and then you just land. The airplane will land itself. It's got that auto land switch on it.
An auto.
Yeah, an auto land switch.
I'm gonna hit my tire.
There you go. Get it. That was a perfect landing, Chuck. All 8 of them. Look at that. Well,
Got a problem.
what kind of problem you got now?
Just brakes.
What?
Well, they're okay. Should we tell them? Should we tell them?
I guess so.
You want to tell them?
No. I'm
Okay.
too shy.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the North Dakota clogging champion for 1962. Please welcome air show legend and Jelly Belly man, Mr. Kent Peach. Yeah, Kent Peach. Equal parts aviator, educator, and comedian of the skies. One of our favorite guys in the business, Kent Peach and Jelly Belly from Fairfield, California. That's where the jelly beans are made, the Jelly Bellies. You can have the candy that he hands you, kids. He has a whole truckload of it. He's going to be back later today, do a little aerobatics. And he's actually going to land that airplane on top of the Jelly Belly truck down there. Yeah, you heard me. Going to land his airplane on top of a truck, and then later he'll be back and he's going to fly it again a third time, and he's going to turn the